Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pearl milling pancakes. Start by gathering your ingredients. 1 cup of Pearl Milling Company pancake mix, 3/4 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 1 egg. In a bowl, combine the mix, milk, oil, and egg. Stir gently until the large lumps are gone. Remember, a few small lumps are perfectly fine, and overmixing can lead to tough pancakes, so resist the urge to keep stirring. Now, let's get your griddle ready for action. Preheat it to a medium-high temperature, around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. You can lightly grease the surface with cooking spray or a tiny bit of oil. To check if it's hot enough, sprinkle a few drops of water on the surface. They should dance and evaporate quickly. This ensures your pancakes cook evenly and don't stick. Once your griddle is perfectly heated, it's time to pour. Use about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake, creating a nice, uniform size. Cook them for about 1 minute on the first side, or until you see plenty of bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Then, with a quick flip, cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until they are golden brown and cooked through. Your delicious Pearl Milling Company pancakes are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm right off the griddle. Get creative with your toppings. Classic maple syrup, fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or even chocolate chips are fantastic choices. These fluffy, golden pancakes are perfect for a satisfying breakfast, a leisurely brunch, or even a fun dinner. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.